Meta has surged plus 3.74% to $635.26. In this video we break down exactly what is driving this move and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Thursday, May 28th, and this is your complete global market briefing. A range-bound session is developing. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500 and NASDAQ notch records, boosted by RE and earnings optimism. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 is broadly flat at $7,520.36, awaiting a fresh catalyst. Investor sentiment is being shaped by a bear market rally, the sell-off to resume seeking alpha. NASDAQ 100 is broadly flat at $29,974, awaiting a fresh catalyst. Investor sentiment is being shaped by S&P 500 and NASDAQ notch records as RE chip stocks surge. Dow Jones ticked up plus 0.36% to $50,644. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500 and NASDAQ notch records, boosted by RE and earnings optimism. DAX slipped minus 0.24% to $25,117. Traders are reacting to news that severely oversold. Wall Street says a relief rally is coming for struggling stocks as the Iran war enters its second month, Business Insider. FTSE 100 dipped minus 0.75% to $10,427. Equity markets are responding to reports that stocks slump as energy surge fuels inflation fears, markets wrap. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. Meta surged plus 3.74% to $635.26 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that Nvidia just revealed Meta's secret RE model led to 3.5x increase in ad clicks, 24/7 Wall St. TSMC climbed plus 2.52% to $422.73. Equity markets are responding to reports that the geopolitics of RE chips will define the future of RE first. Amazon is up plus 2.47%, trading at $271.85. Equity markets are responding to reports that Amazon Q1 2026 earnings reaction, AWS reacceleration and retail margin expansion, go trade. Samsung is down minus 2.44%, trading at $299,500. Equity markets are responding to reports that Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as RE boom fuels memory chip crunch. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. On the geopolitical front, traders are reacting to news that severely oversold. Wall Street says a relief rally is coming for struggling stocks as the Iran war enters its second month, Business Insider. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. Central bank policy is at the forefront of investor minds. Equity markets are responding to reports that stocks slump as energy surge fuels inflation fears, markets wrap. On the data front, equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500 and NASDAQ notch records, boosted by RE and earnings optimism. Turning to commodities. Brent crude slipped to $93.94 per barrel, down 0.37% on the session. This comes as stocks slump as energy surge fuels inflation fears, markets wrap, adding pressure to energy markets. WTI crude climbed to $90.32 per barrel, up 1.85% on the session. This comes as stocks slump as energy surge fuels inflation fears, markets wrap, adding pressure to energy markets. Natural gas edged higher to $3.06, up 0.72% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that severely oversold. Wall Street says a relief rally is coming for struggling stocks as the Iran war enters its second month, Business Insider. Gold dipped to $4,422.70 per troy ounce, down 0.56% on the session. The gold move is partly driven by gold sell-off signals a shift in safe haven demand, StoneX. Let us give you our near-term view on Meta. With momentum this strong, traders will be watching the $673.38 level closely. A clean break there would confirm the uptrend and could bring in additional momentum buyers. Risk management remains critical. Always size positions according to your own risk tolerance. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.16, losing 0.18% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.34, losing 0.44% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 159.41, gaining 0.11% on the day. Currency markets are reacting to escalating tensions in the Middle East have boosted the US dollar's safe haven appeal, while hawkish Federal Reserve expectations have kept gold hovering around the $4,500 mark. Moo. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. If this breakdown was valuable, please share it with anyone who follows the markets. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a market update. We read every comment. Drop your view below. Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets, and we will see you in the next video. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.